What up, people? So in this video I want to quickly talk about my blueprint that I released one day ago, and I want to explain exactly what it is, my blueprint, and what I have inside the blueprint. So basically I want to go through my what you get with this blueprint. So first of all, you get a full 16 videos, okay, straight to the point content without wasting your valuable time, okay. I don't want to waste your time and start teaching you how to open a PayPal account, how to open an eBay account, things like that. This information you have in other cheap courses or free on YouTube or online available. It's really easy to do those stuff, but the main problem that most of the dropshippers and me myself as a dropshipper for 3 years that I had is how actually to make sales and to make profit, okay. And right now, and especially when I started in the UK, it was fantastic because there was no all the flagging and things like that. And right now, what I'm doing for the past like 3 months at least, I'm doing manual dropshipping. The results are staggering. I have so few listings, and the sales are almost like when I had 10,000 up to 15,000 listings in my software using stores. So I show you step by step, okay, the exact my blueprint, okay, how I work, how I'm going and set up my every single of my stores, every single one of my stores, and I'm scaling them really fast, okay. This is the exact same way that I'm doing it, and you will have all of that in the blueprint. Let's see what we have here more. And so again, as I told you, it is much more valuable and than the one-time investment that you are doing, okay. You are investing really a small investment and you will make much way more than that. And in the next income report that you will see how much my store made. It already made more than we made the whole month, the previous month. With this blueprint, with this exact same way that I'm working with my method, you can go ahead and scale your business way faster. Because I personally, when I start a new account, I don't want to wait months and months until I get my results, and at least to make like one to two clean £1,000 net profit. And this is what I want you to learn, because it is that simple and easy. And honestly, if you will see this blueprint, you will not understand how it is so easy to go ahead and do the same thing and see the same results, okay, and scale it that fast and do at least 1,000, 2,000 net profit every single month easily, okay. And okay, so about updates, so I will have consistent updates. It is the beta version, okay. I have everything there, okay, everything is there, but I want to have more content about product research and about more the little tips and tricks. I think I included everything that you need and made it as simple and easiest as possible, because I don't want you to watch hours and hours and hours of content that you are only interested in this kind of blueprint, that you want to know exactly what works and what will make your item sell and make the most profit possible, okay. So so you will have consistent updates on this blueprint, that I will add more content with your comments and with your honest feedback, okay, and be honest as possible. With that, I can actually go ahead and improve it before the price goes up. Also, a great thing that you will have the chance to go ahead and jump on a call with me one-on-one. You can have a call with me, a 20 minutes call with me one-on-one. You can do that before taking starting the blueprint, in the middle of the blueprint, or after that, okay. You can book it whenever you want. There is no expiring date. And last thing, that not less important than that you will have full-time support from me. If you already know me, you know that I will always answer to your question or anything, that a message that you will send me. I'm always answering no matter what, even if it takes me a bit more time, because I am really flooded with messages and emails. So I will answer no matter what. So I want to go ahead and go through a bit the blueprint, so you will understand how it will look like. So let's jump into the blueprint. Okay, so let me show you what the blueprint includes. Okay, so first of all, it is an introduction, of course, and I have the foundations. Okay, this is the foundations before starting even dropshipping that you need to know and you need to implement. Okay, and for example, how to track your listings manually, I will be going through that, and you will also be getting the spreadsheets for how to track your manual listings. So build a sellers list, how to pick your right suppliers, how to pay the suppliers, the perfect price range. Okay, this is really important to have as much sales as possible and to scale as fast as possible when you know what price ranges you need to search for. Setting up your shipping and return policy as you should do that. And then this is the product research and listing that I'm showing you exactly full videos, how I search the products, how I'm deciding and how I'm doing that as fast as possible, and deciding if the seller is good, the seller is not good enough, how I find other drop shippers that doing good profit and I can compete with them. And now about the sniping. Okay, I show you step by step exactly how I snipe and what my thinking and approach to snipe correctly the items. Okay, now this is super important, and everything that I have built here, okay, this is 3 years of experience. That this is the most for me after all this experience, and because I was doing sniping for almost 3 years now, and this is the only thing that always worked for me no matter what. You see that if it is AliExpress, eBay manual, eBay not manual, it always worked for me. So this, I made it as short and effective as possible, every single video, and to focus with you and exactly what you need to know and how you need to think, and you will see results, I guarantee you. Okay, about the price, how to price your items correctly. This is also everything that I show you here. This is the most crucial things before I start listing an item until I finish listing the item. Okay, and I know for almost 100% that this item will sell no matter what. Okay, so this is all also really important. How to keep up with your listing, what I'm doing with my listings, and really advanced stuff that really helps you boost even more your sales and your profits all the time. About cashback, I'm using top cashback, so there is nothing that much to explain, but I will be adding more content about it. Okay, advanced tips about more stuff, and I will add more advanced tips all the time. And the wrap up. So basically this is the beta version. Okay, you will have everything that I do from zero, from scratch, until I take my stores to make me at least 1,000 to 2,000 pounds in net profit in every single month. Okay, this is really small investment that you will get way more than that. Okay, hopefully you will get your money for this blueprint at your first month. Okay guys, so I really hope that you liked it and you like the structure of it, and of course it will expand and have much more in-depth videos really soon. Okay, and this is why right now it is in a limited time offer. Okay, this is limited time launch price. It is not a scarcity or something like that. I don't want that everyone will have this this exact blueprint in their hands, because they will compete with me and other dropshippers, and I don't want to make it like a cheap a cheap thing or a cheap blueprint or course, or call it whatever you want, that everyone will start doing that, and then it will get saturated. Okay, so if you still have the chance, get it in the limited time launch price right now, and you will not regret it, believe me, and you will get way more value than the small investment that you are investing in yourself after all. Okay, so I hope you like this video and the explanation is really clear about my exact blueprint. Thank you for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more it doesn't mean that with this blueprint I will not release like the best content on YouTube about dropshipping on eBay UK, and also from AliExpress to eBay.com. So stay tuned, guys, subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notifications so you will know when I release a new video. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Cheers.